Ava, look here.
What is that?
It looks old.
Maybe it is broken. Did it talk?
Yes.
Storm coming. Go home.
Maybe it is magic.
Let's take it home.
How was the playground?
Getting windy out there.
We had so much wind was strong.
Wonderful.
Good to have you back.
What is that sound?
I found this in park. It looks like science tool.
Does it work?
It talks about storm.
Weather is sunny today.
Yes. Good day for evening market trip.
Can we go out later?
Maybe, if weather stays nice.
Weather is clear tonight.
Weather report says clear sky.
Heavy rain coming. Close windows.
Mom, listen.
It is only toy.
Maybe it is real.
Ben might be right. Let's stay careful. Wind is strong, but maybe short. Let's go market quickly before rain.
Maybe we should stay home.
Do not worry. We will come back fast.
It's warning again. Sky looks scary.
Storm danger. Go home.
Mom, it says go home.
We are almost there.
Rain is very strong now. Road is flooding.
I want to go home.
Flood danger. Turn back. Flood danger. Turn back. Flood danger. Turn back.
We must go back.
It warned us earlier. Road is blocked.
Everyone stay inside the car.
Stay safe. Do not drive through flood.
I should listen earlier.
I'm turning back. We'll be home soon.
We're safe now. Yes.
Mom, I was very scared.
It's okay. You're safe now. Property of Professor Arun. That is my father, your grandfather. He was a weather scientist. He helped people stay safe.
Grandpa made this?
Yes, and we did not listen.
Grandpa tried to help us.
We will always listen now.
Storms are strong. Listen to warning. Safety is first.
The best lesson comes from experience.